Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel WA Reviews. Today we have something super exciting to unbox and review, the Slow Juicer Machine. If you're into healthy living and fresh juices, this one's for you. Let's dive right in. Here are the different parts of the Slow Juicer. First, we have the user manual and juice guidebook. Always good to keep these handy. Next, we have the push bar, which is made of ABS plastic material. Then we have the screw booster grinder. Next, we have a cleaning brush to clean the juicer nicely. After that, we have the juicer container cup holder. Then, we have the strainer to refine the juice. Next, we have the feed pass pipe. And finally, the main juicer unit, which looks sleek and compact. Its input voltage is 220 volts, and its rated power is 500 watts. Now, let's assemble the juicer. It's pretty straightforward. First, attach the juice container to the main unit. Then place the strainer. And after that, place the screw booster grinder in their respective slots. Finally, install the feed pass pipe, and our juicer is ready to go. There is a lock on the top of the feed pipe holder to lock and unlock the aperture. Also, 2 large juicer cups come with it, one for juice and the second for slag. On the back, we have a power on-off button and a reverse forward button. As you can see here, its operating voltage is 220 volts and its power is 500 watts. As mentioned in the manual, the continuous working time is 10 minutes with a 1-minute interval for safe operation. Time to put this juicer to the test. I've got some oranges and apples here. Let's see how well it handles them. The juicer is pretty quiet, which is a big plus. The juice extraction is smooth, and the pulp is quite dry, indicating efficient juicing. Look at that vibrant juice. It looks delicious. Now for the best part, the taste test. Wow, that's fresh and full of flavor. The slow juicing process really preserves the nutrients and taste. I'm impressed. As you can see, slag of the fruit's quite dry, indicating efficient juicing. Now, let's disassemble it and see inside condition of the juicer after use. So, I cleaned the juicer nicely, now let's assemble back again. This tiny brush plays a crucial role for cleaning this machine parts. So, let's talk about the pros and cons. The slow juicer is easy to assemble, operates quietly, and produces high-quality juice. The only downside is that it takes a bit longer than a regular juicer, but the quality of the juice makes it worth the wait. Overall, I highly recommend this juicer for anyone serious about their health and looking for a reliable juicing option. If you like to buy one for yourself, so check link in description below. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and unboxings. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.